Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on chapter 2 Inside Our Earth. So let's start. Inside our earth or interior to the earth, it is just like an onion. That is, it is made up of several concentric layers, one inside the other. Now, inside the earth, it consists of three important layers, that is the crust, the mantle and the core. The crust forms the uppermost layer as you can see in the picture. Then comes the mantle and then the core. The crust is the uppermost layer which covers the earth's surface. Mantle lies just beneath the crust and extends up to a depth of 2900 km below the crust, and the core forms the innermost layer with a radius of about 3500 km. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron, so togetherly we can also call it as knife. Now, do you know that the crust forms only 0.5% of the volume of the earth? 16% consists of mantle and 83% makes the core. Now, one by one we will be discussing regarding all the three important layers. First we'll come to the crust. The uppermost layer of the earth's surface is known as crust, as I told you. It is also the thinnest among all the three layers. It is about 35 km and on the continental masses and only 5 km on the ocean floors. Now we will discuss regarding the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Continental crust, it is mainly consisting of silicon or silica and aluminium or alumina. It is forming the continental crust. So togetherly we can also call it as SiL. That is Si from silica and Al from alumina makes it SiL. Now the oceanic crust consists of silicon or silica and magnesium. We can also call it as SiMa, that is Si from silicon and Ma from magnesium. Next we will be discussing regarding the mantle, that is the layer of rock between crust and the core. It is about 2900 km thick. 67% of the earth's mass is made up of mantle, and it is composed of silicon, oxygen, iron and magnesium. The physical conditions in the mantle change because of the change in pressure and temperature. As the depth increases, pressure and temperature also increases. Here in the mantle, the temperature, it is ranging from about 870 degrees centigrade to 2200 degrees centigrade. Now there are certain interesting facts which I want to share with you, is that the deepest mine in the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep. In search for oil, engineers have dug a hole for about only 6 kilometers deep. Now, to reach to the center of the earth, which is just not possible, then also you'll have to dig a hole of about 6,000 kilometers deep on the ocean floor. So these are certain interesting facts which we should know about. Next, we will come with the innermost layer of the earth, that is the core, which is having a diameter of about 6,800 kilometer, that is 3,400 kilometer from outside edge of the core to center of the core. 1/3 of the earth's mass, and it consists of 15% in its volume. The temperature out here, it ranges from about 2000 degrees centigrade to 5000 degrees centigrade. Now let me tell you that the core consists of two parts, that is the inner core and the outer core. First we will discuss regarding the outer core. As you can see in the picture, the outer core, it is a layer of molten metal which is consisting of iron and nickel, which is beneath the mantle here, and it is it surrounds the inner core. 2200 kilometer thickness it has. Next we will discussing regarding the inner core. It is a dense ball of solid metal, iron and nickel. Here iron and nickel is in solid state. Extreme pressure from layers above means all the other layers are creating tremendous pressure on this inner core. 1200 kilometer from outside edge of inner core to the center. So this was all about the three important layer. Once again we'll go ahead with this picture. We'll do a short revision. That is, in the picture we can see first is the crust, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Then comes the mantle. Then comes the core, which is in liquid state and also in solid state. Here also you can see the lithosphere, which is the crust which we can call as. So this was all about the layers of the earth. Thank you everyone.